In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy the result of a formula in Google Sheets. First, let's get into Google Sheets. Open your web browser and go to Google. In the top right corner, click the small grid icon, sometimes called the App Launcher. From the list of Google apps, choose Sheets. When Sheets opens, select the spreadsheet you want to work on and open it. Now, here's the issue many people run into. When you try to copy a cell that contains a formula and then paste it somewhere else, Google Sheets often brings the formula along for the ride. That can cause errors, or it can change the numbers because those formulas may reference different cells in the new location. If your goal is to copy just the final number or text that the formula produces, not the underlying formula, you'll want to paste only the value. Here's how to fix it so you get exactly what you see in the cell. Start in your sheet and get the formula result you want to reuse. Then, click the cell where you want that result to go. This will be your destination cell. With the destination cell selected, right-click to open the context menu. Hover your mouse over Paste Special. From that submenu, choose Values Only. By choosing Values Only, Sheets strips out the formula and any dynamic references, and it pastes just the static result. That means the number or text won't change if the original cells change, and you won't get errors from moving formulas to a different context. It's a clean, reliable way to lock in exactly what's on screen. A few practical tips to make this smoother. If you prefer shortcuts, you can use the Paste Values command directly. On Windows and Chrome OS, press Ctrl plus Shift plus V. On a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus V. If you need the original formatting as well, you can first paste values only, then apply formatting separately, or use other paste special options like Format Only, depending on what you want to keep. Also, you can use this same approach when pasting into a different tab, or even a brand new sheet. That's it. By selecting your destination cell, right-clicking, hovering over Paste Special, and clicking Values Only, you can now copy and paste the result of a formula anywhere you need without dragging the formula along. It's a small change to your workflow that saves time and prevents those confusing reference errors. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting!